Sending emails from a Node.js application can be done by NodeMailer. For Deno application, there's a third-party module called SMTP. If you are a Node.js developer, then you came across NodeMailer, and NodeMailer is also using SMTP to send emails. SMTP module can be included into our Deno application by importing the URL specified in their documentation. In their official documentation in Deno website, there are some examples for normal connection and TLS connection and sending emails using a Gmail host. At first, SMTP client will be imported from the URL. Next, an instance called client will be created. There are three asynchronous functions invoked using client instance: connect, send, close. I have created a TypeScript file called server, and this file is going to have our code. Then I have created a .env file for storing the environmental variables. In it, I am going to store my Gmail password as pwd, my Gmail ID as send email, and the receiver ID as receive email. At first, I have imported the SMTP client from the URL. Then a new instance called client will be created. Then for connection, there are two methods. First is connect with no security layer. Next one is connect TLS that we are going to use, but it has transport layer security. I am just invoking the other two remaining functions called send and close. And the connect TLS function is going to have an object, and it has four values like hostname, port, username, and password. Hostname will have smtp.gmail.com since we are using a Gmail ID, and port value is 465 for connect TLS method. Then username will have my Gmail account, that is Gmail ID. The password will have my Gmail password. Then the another method is going to invoke send method, that is also going to have an object of four values: from, to, subject, content. From is the sender email, to receiver email. Then subject and content are subject and body in our normal mail. At last, we are going to close the connection. To import the environmental variables, I am just going to import an .env module from Deno. Then the environmental variables will be accessed by deno.env.to object. Then I destructured the send email, receive email, and password from deno.env.to object. Here I am getting an error in username, so I have created a variable called connect config of type any, and then I give it to the connect TLS. Now there is no error. Now the file can be run by using the following command: deno run, and the following flags: allow read, allow env, and allow net, then the file name called server ts. Now it's compiling and I am getting an error. The error is because Google never allow any unwanted interaction to their system. So go into your myaccount.gmail.com. In security section, you can see a less secure app access. By default, it's turned off. Make sure that turned on, and you can read the instruction. And this method is not recommended by Google. Now I am running the application by the same command. It's running, and there's no error. Now I am opening my Gmail, and I have received the email from wutterdev@gmail.com that I am specified as sender email, and that's my email. The major drawback of this method is it's not secured and it's not recommended. The alternate way is we can use SendGrid. And if you are new to Freelancer, then subscribe to the channel.